Hello guys, today we're going to replace the Ford Explorer honk or whatever, because I don't like this regular factory one, and I'm going to install Russian one. This is a signal with a lower tone, lower voice, which is more solid than the factory one of the Ford Explorer. And I'm not going to take off the old one because it's underneath and it's dirty here, dirty there, and I'm going to install it from the top. Under the battery there's a wire, and I'm going to install it in a new place. So let's go! First I'm going to show you how sounds the old one signal and then the new one signal, and in the end of the video we're going to compare it once again. Now we gotta remove this stuff. This is a place for the battery. Remove all these bolts and take it out. And this bolt, guys, is really pain in the ass. You see how it's hard to unscrew it. So we take out this thing, we took off this conditioner stuff, and now we get this out. Now we see I gotta use WD-40, чтобы не сломать. Not to break it off. Один сломался. So guys, one unscrewed and one broke, as always. Now I gotta show you where the signal is. I put this wire to mark this wire to make sure that this is in a signal. You see, this is a signal, and this is a wire, positive, that goes into the signal. Now we see, this is a positive, and we see we have two signals. Now we're gonna take the wire out and make the signal in some other place. You see them, they're like dirty and in moisture. Guys, I found a place where the signal gonna be. This is the place, you see, and we have a hole already. Now I'm trying to put on this negative in the hole. So when I stick it, I'm gonna show you. So guys, we stick it in, and now we screw it with this thing, so it's gonna be a good contact with the negative. Here it is. And screw this nut. So guys, it's on place. Screw it down. You see in here. So there is to get positive here and connect it. We take this wire, and we don't wanna even extend it. So as it is connected on place, And that's it. We're ready to go. Assemble it all back and test it. So we assemble it. Here's the signal, you see. Here's a pledge derm for the battery. So connect the battery and we test. For the clean experiment, we shut the hood, install the camera like this, and we test. So here it is, we install this signal. Subscribe to the channel, press thumbs up. Bye bye.